In the studio, Jeff, back in the radio days,
Yeah.
one of the things that we had were really great speakers. It's like key to a radio station is having great speakers so that when you're working late, you can crank it and it sounds good. It's like your own personal concert.
That was my favorite part about doing the night shift.
Oh, yeah. And one of the things about studio speakers and working in, now I'm a recording artist in the past. I was a recording artist, I should say. Now I'm a dad. I worked in a lot of recording studios, and at that time, there's a style to speakers that it just, there's a look to them, there's a sound to them,
Yes.
and that's kind of what we're looking for when we're looking for good speakers.
To this day, I still am drawn to speakers first by the look, then the sound.
True.
I mean, you
Me
would think
too.
for speakers you want the sound, but it's that look that draws me in.
But if they can be really good looking, aesthetically pleasing, a little bit on the geeky side, like tech-centric as far as the look goes, like that studio look, plus sound great, plus, here's the one that usually doesn't fit into the mix, plus affordable. Because usually, if I'm going to spend $100 on a pair of speakers, they're going to sound like we are not allowed to say it on this family-friendly show. They're not going to sound very good.
Right.
Now, Edifier has taken it and blown that away with their these speakers. I'm just going to jump right over there.
Sure. Okay.
Can I do this?
No, you're not allowed.
Okay.
We're not reviewing them.
I'm gonna head on over to our review table and let's switch over there. Here you go. All right. I love these unboxings. If Sasha was here, could you imagine? 2 unboxings at once. So these are the Edifier R1280T.
Oh, it's still sealed. Like, this is legit unboxing.
Oh, Jeff, what kind of unboxing video would be pre-opened?
Well, I'm sure you could do it to make sure that everything's there, but this is like legit.
Well, if it's not, don't you want to know that on the unboxing video?
True that.
If they, if something was damaged or something like that, wouldn't you want to know that?
Yes.
Okay. There we go. Okay. Nothing's going to be damaged here. You can see they're very well packaged.
Absolutely.
Individually. Here we go. Okay, so those are the speakers. We've got instructions. Remote control just fell out there. This is just very simple. It's got mute and volume up and down. That's kind of nice. What do we got in the bag? Let's move this box out of the way. That way I can be in focus. Okay. Speaker wire from days of old. Eh?
Is that's actual speaker wire? It's not like...
that is like 12 gauge speaker wire, my friend.
So for plugging into a sound system?
No. This is to connect the 2 speakers together, and we're going to see that in just a few moments' time. We've got an RCA cable. Now, you look at that and you think, oh, that's old school. Everything's like HDMI now. Well, what if you want to plug these into a turntable? What if you want to put these into a record player and get retro with it, right? Cool. Then we've got another RCA cable, but this one has a headphone kind of plug on it so that we can plug it into a laptop. The other thing, Jeff, is you can plug this into your TV, and now these become a set of enhanced speakers for your television. Or what else can you plug that into? Say a computer?
Yep.
Desktop computer with these on your desk? All right, let's get into these. Shouldn't be too hard to get into. Now, you do not have to buy an amplifier with these because these are powered speakers. These are not passive. Yes. Sorry for the wobble. There you are. Look at that.
Nice and sleek. I like the wood look.
Again, these are the Edifier R1280T. Now, I'm going to pull the grill off because we want to get in here and see what these actually look like. The quality, I can just feel the build quality as I'm trying to pull this off, is not what you'd expect from a $100 set of speakers.
See, that right there is very attractive.
Beautiful. I'm going to use those without the grill for sure. So we've got a 4-inch bass driver, and of course this hole here. This is for bass reflex, and that's like a little 2-inch kind of looking thing. We've also got a 13 millimeter silk dome tweeter, so that brings out the highs. If you're not familiar with speakers, what we've got, this is like a mid-range bass speaker, and it takes care of the middle of the spectrum. Then you've got the tweeter, which enhances those highs, so you get those really nice crisp high tones as well from your music. If you've only got one or the other, you're not going to have full spectrum sound. These accommodate, these will have great sound. So whether you want to plug these into your TV or other devices, they do promise that you're going to get great sound no matter what surface that you've got these set on. Okay. Specifications as far as the output goes. We've got 42 watts RMS combined total. So what you see here, so basically 21 watts a speaker. Pull those off. There we go. And I love the look. So we're going to take a really quick break, Jeff, and then we're going to plug these in. We're going to set these up on our main studio, and we're going to put them into binaural mode so that you can hear how these sound. Stick around. Jeff Weston.
Yeah, man.
You're building a brand new, beautiful website.
What?
Aren't you?
No. Am I?
Oh, you're a terrible actor.
What?
This is where acting comes into play.
Oh, I didn't know we were acting.
You're supposed to act.
Okay, fair enough. All right.
Yeah, I'm building a really cool website. Are you building a really cool website?
Just because Jeff is confused doesn't mean you have to be. Visit cat5.tv/dreamhost to sign up for unlimited web hosting for your website with unlimited email accounts, MySQL databases, the latest version of PHP, WordPress, and more, and even a free domain name registration. It's less than $6 per month, so sign up today. cat5.tv/dreamhost.
Welcome back. This is Category 5 Technology TV. We've got the Edifiers plugged in.
Ready to go? Oh. I'm excited.
Now, first thing I noticed. Okay, so you asked about the speaker cable. So I've run a speaker cord, this speaker cable between the two speakers.
Yes.
That's it. So this one is passive.
All right.
This one is aggressive. This one's got the amp built in.
Okay.
You can see that there aren't a lot of controls on there, but on the side here, we've got basic controls to enhance the sound.
Yep.
What does it say on here? So we've got treble, bass, and volume. That's all you need, folks. That's all you need.
Yep.
So treble and bass you can control with the actual tactile knobs. Volume and mute, if you'd like, you can use the wireless controller.
Okay.
Are we ready to fire these up?
I'm ready.
Now, we have a very unique scenario here tonight because here at Category 5 TV, we actually have a binaural recording system. So that dummy head that you see there is recording in binaural 3D sound. So if you put on a good quality pair of headphones, you're going to hear essentially, I mean, with the limitation of the microphones in the binaural dummy head, you're going to hear essentially what it sounds like here to us.
Okay.
So are we ready?
I'm ready.
goodness.
Wow.
The Edifier R1280Ts, those are exceptional. I can't believe they're $100.
That's it?
That's it. Folks, you got to check them out, cat5.tv/speakers.